Hello YouTube, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews. Go ahead and put my headset on here. There we go. Hello, that's a little better. Again, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews. Today we're going to be going over the Kobalt. It's like a little kit you can get at Lowe's. I just picked this up because I had another kit I really liked, and I let someone use it. Hadn't got it back yet, and I just wanted something too that I could keep at my house, my condo, because I usually take all the stuff, all my good tools, to the shop, and they either end up getting lost, or I can't find them, or I can't locate them when I need them, and then they get all greasy and nasty. I wanted a small, inexpensive kit I could keep at my house. I don't use it that often, but when I need tools, I need to use them. I don't want to have to go all the way to the shop, try to find everything. And these kits are so inexpensive nowadays. Like, I know before, if you built your own kit, you'd be spending close to $100 or over $100. But with these new smaller kits, like, I know the tools are small. Like, sometimes you get like a tiny little hammer. The tools aren't quite as beefy as you'd use for work. But I was surprised. These are actually decent, and their quality is pretty good. Kobalt, that's pretty good. They stand behind their product. I think they have like a lifetime warranty. The needle nose pliers. I mean, I was an electrician for 5 years, and these tools are actually, the quality is pretty good. And I don't see anything wrong with the quality. You could probably even take these on a job site and use them, except for the hammer. The hammer's kind of small, but the way they have it set up, you can fit plenty of tools in here, and it's kind of unique too. I haven't used it yet, but they have a spot in the center here where you can keep all your small parts. I thought that was an excellent idea, because usually these small parts, they get in the bottom of your bag and you can't find them, and they're not organized. They take up too much room. This way, it's right in the center, and you can basically Velcro that shut, and it's not in your way. It actually acts as they use it as a divider, so it kind of divides your tools up, keeps everything thin, and you can pull it out at a moment's notice and pull out whatever you need. So I think that was a really good design on their part. And straps and everything are pretty tough. I carry a lot of weight around in these, so been holding up so far. And then they even have another strap, shoulder strap. So, but I will be keeping this at the house. I'll be adding tools to it. It probably won't get a lot of use, but it's very handy and inexpensive. I think it was under 50 bucks, and it comes with everything, all your tools. Might be missing a few little things, but you can always add a couple things to it, and you got pretty much a complete kit. I'll be using basically some electric power tools, and I'll be using rechargeable battery drills and stuff like that. But other than that, anything you need around the house, you can get by with this. Again, this is the Kobalt kit. Comes with all the tools. Comes with basically needle nose pliers, regular pliers, dikes, scissors, razor knife, hammer. I think it even comes with a nice little crescent wrench, a couple screwdrivers, and I think also too it comes with a really small, compact little hacksaw that's really handy, and actually you can get in small places with that. So I'm going to give this a thumbs up, and I think everybody should have one of these at their house or their shop. Or if you have every tool in the world, but you don't want to go to your shop and you want something handy around the house, it's a great little kit. So you can get it at Lowe's for right around 50-60 bucks or less. Thumbs up. Kobalt kit. This is Roger with Roger's Reviews. If you like this review, please crush the like button, and we'll be bringing you a lot of more reviews on stuff like this to keep around the house to make your life a little simpler. Peace.